Godfrey Kabyanga Baruko, Minisita wa Kanyabwenge hamwe no kuhabura ihanga nowe ayihanangirize eminyeeto okwejumbira emirimo y'okukozesa emikono erumu okumbeka, okubija, okusuba amashoke hamwe n'endijo.
They are doing well. So what they are coming here to do to show us is, please don't confine yourselves into the comfort of town, and don't think once everybody needs to get a degree and a white collar job. Let us go for vocational training and come back and employ ourselves.
Minisita agarukire yajumerera eminyeeto mingi etandikire kozesa ebitokoza bongo.
One of the problems is drug abuse. Most of these people were in prison. They abuse drugs and they are getting problems. Eventually they end up joining wrong groups. Some of them want to grow rich very fast, and they end up either engaging in funny deals, and they end up in prison.
Young people who are living in urban centers, we still face a lot of challenges in managing different challenges, like we have high rates of early pregnancies. Drug abuse in the municipality is at a higher rate simply because we are lacking a youth information center.
Bamwe ominyeeto nibagira ngo abebembezi bingi babanagirire batari kubegesa okubine kutwaza.
Go to them when we are breaking a ground and tell them, yes, as you've come, we know you have your expertise, but we pray that you also employ our local people, especially those who have skills and those without skills. Now, like if you want a casual labor, you don't need somebody who is trained, but somebody to just give you bricks or stones can even do it when he's not trained.
Minisita ahindire arukushaba abazire kushomesa abana babo ebiro kubagasha.
Parents should give some time to their children, mainly in the holidays. We should give them some time. But I'm telling you, in the times to come, parents will not even have that time for their children, because they have to hustle to pay school fees, to feed them, to give them good life. But the time I grew up, that issue of parents hustling to give us good life was not there. I would reach in the village, I would go to any home and eat and go. But now I can't.
Gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.